Hi guys, welcome to GlitchGuru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if some or all of the contacts are missing from your Samsung Galaxy phone. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. Now tap on restore data. Now select your device. Now uncheck everything and select the contacts checkbox. Now tap on restore. Now wait for your phone to restore all the contacts from the cloud and then tap done. If you see this prompt, just tap on later. Now go to the contacts app and see if your issue is solved. If it is not, open the accounts and backup tab again. Now this time go to the manage accounts option. Now select your Google account from this list. Now tap on sync account. Now tap the three dot icon at the top and select sync now. Make sure the contacts toggle is turned on. Now wait for a few moments and go to the contacts app. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.